Are you looking for innovation in the Class B RV segment? Yeah, some of the big guys, you know, they have some cool exterior colors. Maybe they had a pop top. Today in this video, you're gonna see two DIY, that'd be do-it-yourself van builders that have an over-the-top van build. First, we're gonna see Mike's van, and then we're gonna see Joe's van. Both of them are gonna probably blow you away. Please be seated when you watch this because my breath was taken away. This video was recorded on YouTube Live in January 2024 at the VanFest on the Florida Space Coast. Wait until you see these van builds.
Yes, Kim said these big van builders need to take note. Yes, they do.
Look at this. This is so cool. Wow. Should we jump in?
Yeah. There you go.
This is, ooh, that's a big step.
Lift on.
I like the pop top.
Wow. YouTube Live, love your van. Look at this.
Wow.
Probably converts to a bed, I'm guessing.
Wow.
We'll see if we get the owner here, Starlink. Look at this. With like automotive chairs.
Yeah, look at those seats. Those seats look so comfortable.
This is really cool.
The roof. I'm loving these roofs.
So this is the bed. That's what this is.
Yeah, that's a Murphy bed.
That's the Murphy bed. Second one. Oh man. Look at all this open space.
Yeah, it's creative with the Murphy bed. You open up your entryway, and this is kind of a wasted space in a lot of vans because it's your entry.
Yeah.
But now you're utilizing it at night for your bed.
I find this interesting though because there's a whole space underneath right here.
Oh yeah. But then that's a pull out. It looks like it pulls out so you can store more stuff down below.
And another door to the cab to seal it off. Thermodynamic. Let's show you my favorite room, which is the bathroom. It's just something else. It's really, really nice. We'll jump out and see that as well. Just so cool. It's these guys doing a great job as commentary contributors. Oh man, that's a big step. So they got some gear on it. Big old. What do you call this?
Yeah, it's like a batwing awning like we have, but way bigger.
This your van? Nice job, sir. No way.
Okay.
No way.
Wow.
Oh. That's nice job, sir. That's stunning. That is really cool. Do you travel full time, or this is YouTube Live? Do you want to say hi?
Yeah.
Since you're on it now.
Yeah, no, I've just traveled my first trip after finishing it in March of 2023. I took a 6-month trip out west.
Wow.
So I just got back to Florida in December.
Nice. First van build?
First van build.
Yeah, first van build and doing way better than a lot of
The other guys,
professional
I am just stunned.
It's a labor of love. You know, you put your heart.
So
and soul
you have a
into
Murphy
it.
bed up front?
I have a Murphy bed up front. Yeah, if you guys go around the front, I'll show you.
Oh, that'd be great. See how this works. I'm always smitten with Murphy beds, but I'm biased. Wait for it. We got a lot of folks in here. What?
Stop.
I'm telling you. Look, it's got a tough.
What?
It's got the projector.
Yeah, if you shut this, it's a complete white wall. And the outline of the screen is perfect.
Talk about a big ass TV. Oh my God, the whole wall. This is really well done. Man, a first van build too. I love it. Nightstand.
Is this just a regular standard size?
It's a 10-inch thick mattress, 50 wide, and from headboard to footboard is 72 inches.
So most people can
That
fit.
is
Yeah.
so
And this
fantastic.
headboard is 3 inches thick, so if I were to take that out, you could buy another 3 inches to 75 inches, but then you'd be right up against sheet metal.
Yeah.
You know,
Insulate.
so that's got sound dampening and insulation value.
It's
and
like
aesthetic- and
it's like a
aesthetic value.
headboard in a
Yeah.
van.
Yeah.
Never seen that before. Nice job, sir. Tell me your name again.
Michael.
Michael, what's up?
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna pull this
Shelby's saying he must be an interior designer. What kind of occupation do you have?
I'm a realtor,
Nice, love it.
Yep.
but this is a closet as well.
What?
Oh,
No
stop.
way.
Stop.
Are you kidding me? Dear every other van building company,
Yeah, this is
And
I'm
you're so
taking notes.
organized. I thought I was
taking notes
organized.
on this right
Yeah,
now.
that is genius. Michael, nice job, sir. Do you have like a Instagram or YouTube or anything like
I
that? too?
don't.
Yeah.
The one last thing this does is this comes up here.
Oh my
Look how
gosh.
long that one is.
It actually comes down here as well. It catches on this, but I've got a hinge that's kind of acting funny on me, so
All right.
I'm not going to deploy
Look at
it.
the size of that thing. So now it makes sense why I'm in shock.
I'm blown away.
This might, I don't know, Joe's van or Michael's van. That's a tough one. What do you think?
I haven't seen something like this.
That is genius.
Yeah, both are amazing, but I don't know. This is kind of next level with the closet underneath the Murphy van.
And then the bike in the back. It's just so
Yeah,
great.
and a whole bike in the back. Yeah.
Thanks, Michael. Nice van, sir. Thanks for sharing. I'm in shock.
It looks like everyone on the live is in shock as well with that bed and closet space.
Yeah. And he's got the
Yeah, well, he just
springy
ruined
door.
it for all of us guys because now my wife wants that.
Well, of course. Why wouldn't you want that?
Well, I
even got
built a
grass.
cabinet in the back, and now it's
down here.
Oh.
That is. I've only kind of
It's not
seen this
good.
once before in another
Now, it's like-
van builder where they've used some of the back for vertical storage. A lot of dogs here at the show, and a lot of cats. Mason Mike saying these guys are better than what? Than mass producers. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's kind of the trend we're seeing for sure.
It is the trend.
At first van build. I mean, I could see if you've done 10 of these and you kind of work out. This guy is. Do you see that closet?
The closet was.
I thought my closet was organized.
My jaw actually dropped when he opened those doors.
Yeah, it's. I just again the creativity, the craftsmanship, the ingenuity.
This is more ingenuity than the entire week at the RV show.
Well said. It's so true. I'm serious. That thing is a masterpiece. Hey, sorry for the interruption. If we're meeting for the first time, howdy. My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small. That'd be about the van. To live large, to be into this crazy Peace, Love, and Vans Van Festival in February 2024 outside of Dade City, Florida. This is what we do. We bring you videos about van tours, van places, van tips, van products to help you be a better traveler in your camper van in particular. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Go to my website, GoSmallLiveLarge.com, because you're going to see a lot of things there, including in-person events like this. And Joe's got a big surprise for us here in a minute. So, yeah, are you ready for this?
All right, that comes down, this flips up, this flips
Wait for it. Yeah.
Oh,
How about that?
Next level.
Next level. OMG with the big ass TV.
Big ass TV.
I love
That's
it.
the important part.
And this is your first van build?
This is it, yeah. So this is the first and only so far. Hopefully there's more to come.
Wow, this is so great. And here's another window showcasing the
Yep.
artistry of the electrical, right?
Yeah,
I
the
love that
electrical is
idea.
not done yet, so
I
I'm
love
still
this
working on
idea.
that. It's a work in progress.
Right.
We got 12-volt radiant floor heat where I'm sitting, and
No
then
way.
as well as back there where they're standing, marine water heater. So I heat my water as I'm driving.
Nice.
And
What's down here?
so this is actually a 52-inch drawer.
No way. That's
So,
what you guys need.
plenty of
One of those.
storage.
Yeah.
52 inch. Holy
Yeah.
cow.
And then it locks out and in the middle position.
Nice.
And then 32 gallons of fresh water, 16 gray, remote dump, and then one wheel mounts right there.
What is this?
That's for the one wheel.
Oh,
So
no
it actually
way.
mounts sideways right there and stays nice and secure.
So I just love the ingenuity.
And then the table actually, I kind of deconstructed the lagoon table.
Oh, yeah.
So this will actually fit onto that little stacked plywood piece. So
right there, yeah.
yeah, I can use the table
So
for a
great.
workstation if I need to.
I just love. It's so cool, and the the grass mat stuff.
Yeah,
Can we pop
absolutely.
in the front and
Yeah,
show the
absolutely.
galley?
Yeah, go for it.
Maybe I'll meet you on the inside. Again, the woodworking here is just over the top. I love this, right?
Yep.
It's so cool. You know, the lighting, the shower gel thing, and this thing we just took my breath away yesterday, right?
Oh yeah, so this comes right through here.
Yeah, it's really smart.
And that actually keeps out a ton of heat. So it's super underrated to have a wall right here, because when you open it, it's like a convection oven.
Well, it feels like that's 100 degrees, and it probably is.
Yeah, you can feel the difference.
Yeah.
And then,
So cool.
hey, how's it going?
man?
And this slides out right here.
We know this guy.
Hey, what's up? We're doing YouTube Live. Yes, sir.
My wife said she had to say hey.
Appreciate that.
What's up, guys?
How's it going?
So
What's
great.
up?
How's the show going, man?
Oh, it's awesome. Yeah, I love it.
It's really great. Then you got cameras on the outside.
Yep. Yeah, come on back.
Yeah.
So you got those are night vision cameras. This is actually the submarine. So this thing will tell you like how much water you have. I've got the sensors for everything.
Yeah.
You got a wardrobe. There's actually a safe under here. So you have a little card and you beep it and then it opens. Yeah.
That's where all the family jewels are.
That's it. Yeah. That's
So great. The same, I mean, the woodworking. Are you like a woodworking person, or
I'm not actually. This is all.
Are you serious?
Yeah, these are the first cabinets I built.
My God.
Yeah, still working on it. So I went with a stacked plywood, and I highly recommend if you have weird angles that you need to cut, being able to stack up the excess plywood that's left over from everything. You end up with so much of it. You can do like this step right here.
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
I call it the piano step.
Totally. And he's kind of glue it together,
What's up,
clamp
guys?
it, and then, wow, it's so well done, man.
Thank you so much.
And are you a full-time traveler? Or you just kind of take cool trips?
Yeah, so I kind of live in it full time. Right now I'm working, so I'm not, but typically, yeah.
And then where can people find you online at Kraken Wagon? Is that?
Yeah, so actually Joe_Shells is my my Instagram, and then
Is it out there? We'll zoom.
Yeah, it's on the board.
And you have good taste in bourbon.
That's right. Yeah, and I will be starting a company here pretty soon. So
Okay.
yeah, if people need
So great.
need a van built, let me know.
Let you know. Thanks, Joe.
Yeah,
good job,
absolutely.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Well done.
Thank you.
Let me get out of here without falling out. Oh, here we go. Oh, here it is. Joe Shells. So nice. Thanks, buddy.
Hey, thank you.
All right. Okay, I saw more stuff today than I saw yesterday. I'm still
Yep.
impressed. It's really,
This one's
Really
probably my favorite so far.
Yeah, it's just, it's so different. And there's a lot of wood in there, but it feels so homey.
It's so homey in
Yeah,
there.
it's just, and the clever, I don't know why, we talked about this, why the Murphy beds are so underrated in vans.
Why aren't we seeing more Murphy beds?
I mean,
Anybody
it's just-
think they have any insight on that?
I don't know. Genius,
It's just gone.
It's just
and you have
gone.
so much open space.
right? It's just so cool. And it's pretty stealthy. And it's on the short transit too.
Yeah,
short
if you
Ur
didn't
transit.
have a ladder on it,
Yeah,
I
you
mean,
really wouldn't know anything's
yeah.
going on. So get another van without windows, but the interior is so cool you don't really need to.
Mm-hmm.
And we spent a lot of time in parking lots, yes or no?
Yes.
So, yeah, it's pretty awesome. Hope you enjoyed that video. Again, innovation so important in a van because you have so much limited space. If you enjoy these types of videos, please subscribe to the channel and join us on What's Up Wednesday, every Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern. What we do is we bring guests, we bring topics to help you be a better traveler in your camper van. Until we see you soon, I like to say journey on and peace be with you. We'll see you soon.